Alright, now it's recording.
Alright. We got caramel corn or moldy cheese. And down the hatch. Ah, look at, yeah, you gotta eat it.
Eat it.
Look at the camera when you eat it. It fell over.
Got mold on its head.
That caramel corn.
Is it good, Harley?
Caramel corn is delicious.
Where are you going?
No, Harley, eat it. No.
That's part of the deal. You gotta eat it.
That's fun.
Come here.
No, you lose automatically.
Alright, for the next one. Ooh. Is it skunk spray or
What is it
licorice?
called? Bean boozled.
Licorice or skunk spray? Go in the mouth.
Oh god, that's disgusting.
Did you get skunk?
Yeah.
Harley, what did you get? Did you get skunk? He's an herpes.
Oh god, that's. It tasted. I ate it out of your mouth. Oh. That taste does not leave your mouth.
Alright, Harley, let's get the next one. Woo!
That taste does not leave your mouth.
No, it doesn't.
Oh god.
Any water?
Oh, this is a good
Right
one.
there.
Chocolate pudding or canned dog food?
Dog food would be better than this.
I wouldn't bet on it.
I've eaten dog food before.
Alright, Harley.
That does not get out of your mouth.
I'm gonna look at the camera.
Shut up!
Okay, you ready?
Oh, it's got a wide view, so it'll get
Okay.
this whole over there.
1, 2, 3 in the mouth. Start chewing. What'd you get, Harley? Here comes Sam. What'd you get, Harley?
Oh, good.
Oh, I can still taste the skunk.
What'd you get?
Chocolate pudding, but it still tastes like shit.
Okay.
If I get one more bad one, I
No.
quit.
Peach or barf?
Well, I ain't got nothing to barf up.
Stay over here.
Get over here.
Get over here. Ready? Go. Start chewing. Keep chewing. Get the flavor.
Peach.
Oh.
Good God, bitch.
Nastiest thing I've ever tasted in my life.
I was waiting.
Okay, I literally quit. I can't do
No,
this.
you have
You know what I
to.
mean? Got the thing you do? It's got like different flavors and stuff.
Sam's
Bean
playing.
boozled? No, Sam's not playing. Sam hurt me.
I puked twice. I think I forgot to flush your toilet.
Harley, reach around.
I smelled it. Did you ever empty that bowl?
Yes, I
Did you
did.
take the trash out?
Yes, I did.
It stinks.
I put it in a separate bag. That's because we just had one with skunk. Skunk spray.
That's one of the jelly beans.
I actually almost threw up. I didn't have anything to throw.
I did throw up.
Alright, we got tutti frutti or stinky socks.
How are you doing that thing? The white one? No, that's the one we just had. There's the white ones.
White ones?
No, no, no.
Or these
White
here?
ones.
Yeah, that's these.
White? Yeah, those are good ones. White ones.
There you go.
I thought it was these ones.
Here, try it. It don't matter, you both got the same color.
Okay, look.
Go.
Oh,
In your mouth.
no, this is one.
I stinky socks.
You got what?
Socks.
You got the stinky sock?
Yeah.
Is it nasty?
Yep.
Harley, what you got?
Dixie, stop. It's what?
What? This one Gage Shamrock. Not Gage Shamrock.
What is it?
Company. They want me to pay like $900 a year.
What is it? So what is it?
It's buttered popcorn or rotten egg?
I'm not done.
Yeah, you are.
I quit.
No, you ain't quitting. You're playing the game. You're all bragging on how good you're going to be in this game. So here you go.
Yeah.
Come on.
I can't.
Now.
Harley,
I'm puking
you're gonna be
too
on
much.
YouTube.
No.
Too bad.
Play the game. You
Oh.
said you want to play the game.
Which one's this one?
This is either buttered popcorn or rotten egg. Ready? Go for it. Just chew it, Harley. Chew. Chew it.
Thanks,
See?
popcorn.
You wanted to go. You got the popcorn, huh? Okay.
Oh.
That's sweet.
Where are you going? Which one'd you get?
How does he throw up that much?
I don't know. I think he's playing this now.
Why don't you go to the
On the
toilet?
ground.
Because
I might scare off the cats.
that's gonna be rank.
Thanks, Harley.
Come on, Harley.
Not in my bushes.
Harley.
Which one is this one?
This is either toothpaste or berry blue.
I
I
like
can go
this
with
one.
toothpaste. Sam's subbing in for Harley.
Very good.
Toothpaste. Oh, I've never been so happy to eat toothpaste.
How's it taste? I want to try it.
Okay, here, toothpaste. Have one. Don't be puking in their bushes. Go to the bathroom. Puke in the toilet.
Oh, chunky.
Stop.
What you have for lunch?
Oh, I've never been so happy to eat toothpaste in my
That's what I
life.
said.
What's this one?
This one would be either chocolate pudding or canned dog food.
I don't want chocolate.
Harley.
There. Come on, you're playing.
Okay.
Come
Yes,
here.
you are.
Come on. Okay, Sam, here, try this
Nope.
one.
Mm-mm.
Not the dog food one. Not the chocolate one. I got a better one for you.
You want to sub out? Is what you're doing?
Here.
I
Harley.
quit. I quit.
It's either skunk spray or
Oh, not
licorice.
again.
I've been spent.
No? Okay,
That's
here.
the
Here's
first
the
one I
white
ate.
ones. The white one is either
Toothpaste or
coconut or baby white.
Oh man, I hate
Baby
coconut.
wipes.
Daddy's gonna puke if it's coconut.
No, you-
Is baby wipes?
Oh no, I can't taste anything at this point.
You got baby wipes. How about coconut?
Yeah, it's a baby wipe.
These are fun. Lime or lawn clippings?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Basic grass.
Yeah.
Me too.
So you'll both be okay on this one.
Nope.
No, it's grass.
It is
These are fun.
nasty.
No, I think I think I would grass too. Like, is it just one round of it?
Oh, here's the last flavors.
I got lawn clippings too.
Which one's
This one is either juicy pear or booger.
I think that was booger.
There
Ready,
you
baby?
go. Prost.
That's a booger.
Daddy, why do you eat your own boogers for?
That is disgusting.
What'd you get, Sam?
There.
I still can't get that stupid skunk taste on my mouth.
I can't
See,
get.
now she ain't gonna let me
Trying.
sleep in the bed tonight.
Oh, I didn't go away.
I can't get any of the nasty ones out of
Look
my
at this
mouth.
speckled one right there.
Yeah, you want to do
This is fun.
Tutti frutti or what?
tutti frutti?
That's peach or bark?
Peach or bark.
Nope.
Mm.
I have enough history for
Oh, here's this one. This one is tutti frutti or stinky socks.
It's not
Go
that
for
bad.
it.
Oh yeah, sure. You want to take
I already
one?
ate the socks.
Then
the one that's been thrown
I
out.
ate the socks.
yeah, these are pretty awesome.
Trust me, do not buy
I do
those.
have a trash can handy at all times. Trust us, you'll need it. Do not let wimps and crybabies play the game.
That's
Okay,
Harley.
maybe let them play. It can be fun to watch. Do fake your friends out while playing if you can. Go skunk spray. Try to keep a good poker face and swear it's
Liquors.
yeah.
Yeah.
Tip. Try smelling someone's breath if you suspect faking.
I got
You
one
make
for
your own.
this.
Do make up your own rules. This Bean Boozled, where anything goes. Your imagination.
This is a fun game.
God, that was
Did
disgusting.
you watch that right there?
And I have 4 three or four extra boxes of the beans.
Where'd you get those?
I ordered them online because I played this in Alaska. I played this with youth group.
I have
Skunk spray is the worst.
I have a hot one from the clothing factory.
Oh yeah.
We watched that Red Bull.
Yes, I watched the Red Bull. This concludes our episode of Completely Retarded.